chapter 19, verse 1. Lord, you have been our dwelling place in all generations. 2. Before the mountains were brought forth, or ever you had formed the earth and the world, even from everlasting to everlasting, you are God. Verse 3. You turn man to destruction and say, Return, O children of men. For 1,000 years in your sight are like a yesterday when it passed, and like a watch in the night. 5. You carry them away like a flood. They are like a sea. In the morning they are like a grass which grows up. 6. In the morning it flourishes and grows up. In the evening it cut down and withers. 7. For we have been consumed by your anger, and by your wrath we are terrified. 8. You have set our iniquities before you, our secret sin in the light of your countenance. 9. For all our days have passed away in your wrath. We finish our years like a sun. 10. The days of our lives are 70 years. And if by reason of strength they are 80 years, yet their boast is only labor and sorrow, for it soon cut off and we fly away. 11. Who knows the power of your anger? For as fear of you, so it is your wrath. 12. You teach us to number our days, that we may gain a heart of wisdom. 13. Return, O Lord, how long, and have compassion of your servants. 14. Oh, satisfy us early with your mercy, that we may rejoice and be glad all our days. 15. Make us glad according to the days in which you have afflicted us, the years in which we have seen evil. 16. Let your work appear to your servants, and your glory to their children. 17. Let the beauty of the Lord our God be upon us, and establish the work of our hands. Yes, establish the work of our hands. Amen.